Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to refund the Game Pass on Roblox. So all we need to do, first of all, if you have the Roblox player on your PC, that will be great. But if you don't have it, you'll need to go and download it through any browser you're using. So once you open your browser, just go and open the browser that you are currently using. So of course you'll need to then to go to the URL type roblox.com. Then you'll need to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. You can create it simply by providing them with some simple informations. So of course when you do that, they will get you into your account, and I advise you to verify an email to get a free item if you want. Of course if you don't want, you don't need to verify anything. So then they'll provide you with that download link. When you provide you with that, you'll need to click on it and of course download the game into your PC, because it will be so much smoother and faster, because you cannot even play it on a browser. You can just make some maybe like changing your avatar and some things, not like the full features you'll find this on when you download the game. So of course when you download it, just go and install it on your PC, then run it. So of course when you run it or open it on your PC, you will need to log in again into your account, and from there you'll find this page. You'll find here games that you recently played, that Roblox suggesting you. And of course if you want to refund your Game Pass, if you have it of course. So how to refund the Game Pass on Roblox? So once you own this Game Pass and you're wondering how to make it work, you can just go, or if you want to refund it, so just go and click add the image once if you own a gear from the shop, and right click on the image and a button should appear saying refund. So of course with this you can get a refund from the gear you purchased in the shop as a special of gear, but that will not be as easy as you think, because they don't accept the refund easily, and there is no refund policy like that easily. So of course you will need to contact the support and provide them with informations and etc, so you get the refund. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.